One of the most beautiful bathrooms I've ever seen. Look at this.
Look at this.
So you're taking a shower and you're getting the sun at the same time.
Hey, this is what $12.5 million buys you.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere coming at you from Miami, Florida, my hometown. Today, my father and I are going to give you a tour of a massive, incredible property, a $12.5 million home here in the Ponce Davis neighborhood, which is basically a neighborhood right next to Coral Gables, exclusive area in Miami on a private street. This is a 6-bedroom, 7 baths, 3 half baths. It also has an entertainment area. It's like a South Pacific style architecture, lots of light, humongous property.
It's just awesome. It's an incredible property. I'm telling you, I'm so happy that I can show you this property. I haven't seen anything like this in ages. Let's go inside.
I've been to a lot of like $15, $20 million homes, but this one, for not being on the water, is one of the best I've ever seen.
So let's go inside. Courtyard, as you enter the house, as you can see, we went through double doors, and then you have another entrance, so you have a double security here.
So you have like wood, you have stones, and then you have all these water features that go around the entire house.
It really, the architecture is called tropical modern,
okay,
and it sits very well in the climate of Miami,
yeah,
because it is very similar to the South Pacific, where this whole idea emanated from.
Shoes off really fast.
When you go through a new house that is just finished, you need to wear these, because you don't want to really make the house dirty or scratch it anywhere. So this is a must when you go into construction. So you either wear socks, take off your shoes, or you wear these protective plastic wrappings.
I'm just wearing socks. I'm good. So what is this?
This is basically your arrival area when you open up the double doors that you went through. Mm-hmm. And it's so welcoming. If you see, everything is very subtle, it's smooth, you know, it's like very soothing. The whole atmosphere of the house makes you calm.
So very high ceilings, lots of light coming in, plus lots of light throughout the whole house. What is this? This is just like
this is actually, I think it's a chimney. I mean, this is an interior courtyard, and you have a meeting room here. I think this is like a meeting area if you don't want to bring your guests all the way into the house.
It's basically just another area where you can gather, right? You can have some seating area there, maybe a desk, and chill. And then, so this is the first floor, right? So maybe we should start to the right. Let's go over here. So what's on this side?
Here we have the powder room. It's super beautifully appointed, as you can see. The finishes are amazing. The door, 10-foot doors, look at this. Not 8, 10. And look at the size of this wash basin. I mean, this is like unbelievable.
I've never seen a powder room like this.
No, this powder room is like...
Every time I go to a new house with my dad, I see something new. Because this is,
right.
Look at this. I mean, marble, beautiful finishes, love the door.
The lighting.
I mean, imagine whoever's in your house, you know, when they have their bathroom, this is where they go to. This is
even the air conditioning. If you see the outlet, it's right on top of you.
Perfect.
See it here? Okay, then, so this is the elevator, and this is the landing area, and it's closed right now because the house is being finished as we speak. Also, as you can see, the main thing you see down here is the light. There's so much light in this hallway. It's never a feeling of darkness or enclosure.
How many windows? I mean, everywhere you look there's a window. There's no like just walls.
Very transparent house, very lively, it's always happy. Look, and this is your formal living room. Look at the size of this. How would you like to live in a place like this, David?
For me, the best part about this living room is the wine cellar. Look at this. Hold on. Oh, let me show you this. Woo, when it's cold, nice and chilly. Obviously, you keep your wine cool. In Miami, you have to have a place like this. If not, the wine's always gonna be, you know, not really room temperature, a little hotter, right? But look at this. So you can fit easily a few hundred bottles of wine here. Incredible wine cellar. Love this, Dad. This is my favorite feature.
Let's go.
Let's see more.
Let's see that. There's more here on the courtyard, the internal courtyard of the house. As you see, the exquisite finishes on the outside, the mahogany wood, the stone, you know, it all gives a organic feeling. It's a modern house with a coziness to it. And that's what we call tropical modern. Look, I've just discovered another powder room, in case there was not enough of them. Actually, there's 3, we've only seen 2 of them. Come, I want to show you this. Look at this kitchen.
This is the kitchen?
Even if you don't cook, you just want to spend your time here, right? Just to drink wine and just hang out with friends. And you got this I haven't seen before. It's like the kitchen countertop, you have a bar, and then you have a serving table. And then you have this beautiful, I mean, there's no other word to describe it. It's just beautiful, beautiful family room.
Massive island, huge island. I love the spaciousness here. Incredible marble, love it, very nice. This also never seen it either. It's like an extra piece, like a bar area, right? So you can have all your drinks here. So no one actually has to go into the actual kitchen area. So this is dining area, right?
Oh no, that's the family room.
That's the family room, okay.
This is the breakfast area of the kitchen. 270-degree views, all the windows around you. Look at the light here. Would you imagine having yourself breakfast here, David? I mean, how would you like that? Incredible. And look, the outside, the jacuzzi, it's all very lush, green. It's just so soothing. It's very calming, actually. So here you have your microwave and your warming. It's the vapor system, right? The oven. You have double sinks. You have an amazing, beautiful Wolf grill, gas-driven. I mean, if you want to have a house like this, you need to have gas. And then you continue, we have double ovens and side-by-side Sub-Zeros, 36-inch Sub-Zeros. And look what's waiting for us, David.
When we saw you the house, we popped this bottle.
In this kitchen, there's plenty of storage space. It's just all over the place. Also, if you notice, there's a backsplash that is not a backsplash. It's just a window so that the light comes in.
Every single wall is made up of windows. They never just have a blank slate.
There's more windows than there's actually walls in this house. And let me show you this. One more Sub-Zero here in the butler's pantry. How about that? I mean, they thought about everything in this house. So when you have a party, this is where you serve from. So actually, this is the dining room because it's connected. We figured out it's connected to the butler's pantry and the wine cellar. And it's connected to the family room that you see here. This is the media room.
100% the media room.
Of course.
It has an area here to put your TV, right?
Correct.
Lots of windows, just never ending light coming in. I love the outside, how you have the water flowing there. Very beautiful. And from here, you can literally see the entire house. You can see if somebody's eating. You can see if somebody's entering. You can see somebody's in the pool. So the next part of the first floor is the guest bedroom. So walk through this house. I mean, if my kids will get lost in here.
So this is a guest bedroom, and it's got very nicely appointed bathroom, high ceilings, the doors, remember, 10-foot doors. This is like a giant's house, look. This is not normal. Normally it's like 8 foot. But 10 feet, it's a different story. Let's go over here. Let's see the rest of the house.
So I'm guessing over here has to be like the laundry room. I'm guessing.
It is the laundry room, look. And you got not 2, but 4 machines. 2 washers, 2 dryers. It is what this house needs for sure. Lots of camera space to fold things. It's a dream. I mean, even for a laundry room.
And you know, it's a big laundry room, so you have a lot of space you can walk through. I'm guessing over here you can have some more storage area, more closet space here as well. And then this must be the garage. Okay, so obviously the house is under construction. That's why they have all these materials here. So they're cleaning up the house, they're finishing the painting, anything that's missing, you know, the fine details, right?
It's a 4-car garage, and not only that, it's got storage space, and it's very comfortable. As you can see, it's very, very wide. So David, let's go upstairs. Follow me upstairs, because we've seen only about half the house so far. There's plenty more.
We haven't seen that much because we have the whole upstairs and we have the whole outside. So this is another 20 minutes.
And look at these stairs. I mean, this is just amazing millwork, beautifully, and it's got, as I said, lots of light everywhere. It's a very happy house.
The second you get to the second level, over here to the left, we have a massive terrace. Just huge, and I'm guessing it's another guest bedroom over there.
It's a sundeck, basically. You can sunbathe here, but there's a connection between here and the guest room, which is outside, which I will show you later. But this is your second family room. This is like a more private setting for your family. So when your kids want to watch TV, you have adults downstairs, you have 2 family rooms. All these houses have to have 2 family rooms.
To be honest, I mean, it can't be a TV room because there's too much light. You have too much glare. And here we have another room.
Yes, this is a bedroom, right? It's a bedroom.
Has to be.
By the way, it's the first time we walk this house. I mean, forgive me for not knowing everything perfectly, but it just goes with the flow. By the way, look at these baseboards. Look at the way that it's finished. It's all over the house like this.
Closet space, so you have 3 closets back to back here, you know, for shoes, socks, everything. I mean, clothes, and another beautiful bathroom. Look at this bathroom, gorgeous. I love the finishes, Dad. Like, You know, you're spending $12.5 million, it better be perfect.
Yeah.
So where's the master?
It's all the way there to the left.
Okay.
Let's go straight there and then we'll review the rest. And this is the hallway that takes you to the master. And oh, there's another room here. Let's go in. By the way, the floors, I can tell they're engineered wood and they're the high quality. They're at least 10 inches wide, which is a good quality.
And this one, the next one are basically identical. The difference, I think, is the bathroom. Yeah, so this one has like a little bit of a tub, right? So you can sit down. This is more to bathe your kids, right here.
A house like this, when somebody buys this, they'll hire an interior designer and decorator, and they'll probably spend upwards of $1 million to $2 million just decorating and finishing this to their taste.
Another bedroom, right? Exactly the same as the other one, just basically mirror image. Yep, the bathroom's different. So this is a shower. So here's a standing shower. The other one was a tub. Beautiful though. Incredible spot. Obviously it's not completely finished yet. They're about to finish and it goes for sale.
Let's go to the master. Wow, look at this, David. This is the arrival to your master bedroom. And this is like a sitting area, I can tell. And here we have the actual bedroom.
You have a covered terrace right outside the bedroom. You have, this is crazy, Dad. Okay, so you have a tub outside, so you can have a tub literally in the sun.
And you have bathe at el fresco.
Bathe at el fresco, okay. And this is, I guess, where you have your TV. You can have a couch here, you can relax, right? Sitting area. And this is one of the most beautiful bathrooms I've ever seen. Look at this.
Look at this.
So you're taking a shower and you're getting the sun at the same time.
Hey, this is what $12.5 million buys you. It buys you this level of luxury and finish. It's lifestyle. And here you have this tub in the middle, which is, I guess, a statement, right, in the bathroom. And you have another one on the outside where you can do a fresco bathing. So it depends, you know. If it's cold, you do it inside. If it's nice and warm, you do it outside. There are actually 2 toilets, his and hers. This is one of them over here. This is the closet. It's not finished yet, but look at the size of this. Obviously, somebody who buys this house will customize this closet. And it's just, I mean, it's just exquisite. Look at it, I mean, light, it's just.
I've never been in a closet this high, this big, and with natural light. First time. Soon I own my own.
Yeah, many closets suffer lack of light. So one of the things I wanted to mention, David, is the quality of the sliding glass doors in this house. Look at the weight, the slugs, and how smooth it is. I mean, you can tell the quality that they put in here. And we're gonna go outside here. Okay.
Woo, nice. Beautiful day too.
Oh, look at this day.
Couldn't have been a better day. Oh, an outdoor shower too?
Outdoor shower too.
So you can go from the pool, walk up the stairway, take a fast shower, and go inside your bedroom.
Exactly. So one of the things that is very special about this house is the louver system they have on the ceilings here on the terraces. It creates this beautiful smooth shade, but also allows the light to come in just the right amount.
Depending on the time of the day, it changes, right? So it moves. Awesome.
Look at the shade and the finish of this stairway. This is how you come down for your master bedroom to the pool area.
Incredible spiral stairway. Love it. Beautiful.
And look at the views.
No, I know, the views, the air, the light.
So now we're gonna walk through the terrace and we're gonna go across the pool. Actually, we're gonna walk on water. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna walk across the water, right? And
this is great, I love it. So you have like 3 little islands in between the jacuzzi and the beautiful, I don't know if this is an Olympic-sized swimming pool. I mean, it's very long, it's shallow though. I love this wood over here, and look at this. I mean, they just like made it super nature, right? Nature feel.
yeah, it is South Pacific. That's the feeling of this house. Look at the barbecue area, so elegant, so well finished. The house is just a pleasure to be in. It has that feeling. It's the lifestyle. It's a very smoothing, soothing, pleasurable lifestyle.
Every day my kids will be here just jumping in the water, walking around here. You can have a massive barbecue. You can invite guests over there. I'm guessing that's for like more outdoor barbecue. You can add something there to that area. You know, lots of space here. And then this guest bedroom, you can either make it a guest bedroom, you can turn it into a gym. This is an empty room. You adjust it to what you want.
Correct.
Woo. What a massive property. I love how they have these things separated, right? Like the gym outside, separate from the entire house.
This is definitely a gym, but it could be a bedroom because it's got closets, it's got a bath, But the main thing is, can you imagine working out in a gym with this view? I mean, this is just unbelievable lifestyle.
The whole entire thing is glass. Only a little bit of it is actually a hard wall. So for sure a gym, because if not, you're gonna be walking around naked. Everybody can see you, right?
And if this is a gym, I work out every single day. I would not be lazy.
I'd be here all day.
I mean, really. Yeah. How can you not work out having a gym like this?
It's amazing. No, this is incredible. I mean, just the view, all the light coming in. And yeah, so the bathroom is like, you know, a full bathroom. You have a shower, toilet, faucet, closet space, and massive gym. Incredible.
It is a pleasure. It's a blend of elegance, simplicity, and warmth. This is what it's all about, this house. It's this specific lifestyle that you want, that it's like soothing.
And we have one more thing to show you. I think it's another guest bedroom on the other side.
That is correct.
So if you have multiple guests coming in from town, you know, your mother-in-law, you know, your cousins, whatever, they can stay in different areas.
No lack of space in this house.
Awesome, let's go. So the guest bedroom is all the way at the very end. So either we go through the house or we go around the side.
I just discovered something. In this barbecue area, we have this amazing surprise. It's a hammam, look at this.
Basically a Turkish bath, right? Hammam.
That is correct.
This is great. So you can relax here, it's a sauna, and this area at the very bottom, I'm guessing this is where you fill up with really, really cold water, right? So you go in, cool down, come back, get hot. This is outstanding, I love it, man. Look at this marble. This hammam is $1 million.
Again, lifestyle.
All right, so we have to go through the house, go back upstairs, cross the terrace, and then we make it to the guest bedroom. 1 minute later, we made it here to the terrace. Gotta take off my socks again to go out here, trying to keep the house as clean as possible. Wow, beautiful, massive terrace. Like massive, papi. Huge. It's a sun deck, yeah. This is where you're coming at your son. Crazy.
Wow. I want to be a guest in this house. Look at this room. And look at the finishes of this room. It's exquisite. It's just unbelievable. Look at this.
Toilet. Air conditioning, toilet. Over here to the very end, you have a massive bathroom. It's actually the biggest bathroom of all the bathrooms outside of the master. You have, you know, his and hers. Huge, humongous shower. You have a tub. And then over here is where you'd put the bedroom, right? Like the actual bed. So the bed would be here.
Real bedroom. This is a very comfortable. I mean, anybody could even live here permanently, but this is a guest.
Yeah, sure. You'd have to have a lot of blinders though, because it's not at 6 a.m. All the light comes in.
That's right.
But I love the finishes. This is incredible. Beautiful finishes.
Wow, look at this. Coming. Everything is exquisitely finished here. It's hard to beat this, David. Hard to beat.
I mean, after seeing the bathroom, I knew the closet had to be huge. Another massive closet. So huge closet, huge bathroom, massive area here. You put a bed, king size bed. You put a TV here to the side.
As we exit the house, I want to explain to you something. You don't have to walk back through the house. This room has a side entry, a private entry for guests. So you can go down these stairs and you can basically exit the house.
So that's the entrance of the house. So if you make a left into the house, you go and you see the actual entire mansion. If you go to the right, you come straight upstairs, and obviously the garage is right down there too, right?
So David, as you come down the stairs, we found another entry to the garage.
And that's it, my friends. That is a $12.5 million mansion in the Ponce Davis neighborhood here in Miami. Ponce Davis is next to Coral Gables. You have all the best schools in the area. So if you're looking to buy a property in Miami, definitely call up my father. He can help you with that. You know, 12.5, you must be a billionaire. All the billionaires, get his number. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was an amazing property, hammam, gym, 7 baths, 6 bedroom, 3 half baths, lots of entertainment areas. Just incredible.
It is just a house with a lifestyle that's soothing, it's relaxing, but it's elegant at the same time.
Well, if you love the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel house tour in Miami. Like that? Rocking the goat. Beckham.